Hold on. All right, are you ready? Rowan is going to show us all of the sign language that he knows. Okay, you want to spell your name first? Hold your fingers up so I can see. R O W I N.
With your pinky and thumbkin?
Remember, it's thumbkin, between thumbkin and ring finger. There you go. What about mommy?
That's your nose.
What about mommy? And daddy? And thank you? And God? And family?
How is it?
Like that? That's right. And eat. And drink. And summer. And pizza. And more. Remember more?
No.
Like this? There you go. And all done? And let's see. Oh, brother. There you go. Good. And sister. Interesting that brother and sister involve what looks like shooting a gun. And empty. And Jesus. And love. Oh, nice job, big boy. Rowan learned all those at school. Who's your music teacher?
Miss Karen.
From Miss Karen. Anything else you want to do? That's all? Are you done?
Can we watch a movie on the computer? Can we watch it on the computer?
You want to watch you on the computer?
Uh-huh.
All right. Tell everybody bye. What's sign language for bye?
Bye. I know.
Oh yeah, you forgot no and yes. Oh, awesome. Are you ready for me to turn off the camera?
Yes.
Show me. Okay.